What's up, everybody? Just had something on my brain, something on my mind. I wanted to get to you. I wanted to get with you. The question was posed to me, how did I get leads, or what was some recommendations to get more leads and get more jobs as it relates to power washing or pressure washing? And my reply was immediate in that you literally have to interact with people that you come in contact with every day as if you've been knowing them for years, and then when and don't allow them to leave without giving them something to go with as it relates to your company, as it relates to, leaving an impression on them as to what it is that you do, what do you have to offer them. Again, business is about establishing relationships. Nothing more. People buy because they like you. Yeah, they may need or require the service at the time, but for the most part, they're going to buy from people they like, genuinely. They can pretty much figure you out in relation to, are you just in it for the money? Are you really wanting to start a long-term relationship with them as it relates to business? Especially when you're dealing with homeowners and people who have properties and assets and things like that. They don't like change too much. So if you're providing them something that they can use again and again and again, and they like you, and your outcomes are good, you'll always have clients. You'll always have people that will call you and refer you out to their friends, their families, to the businesses that they frequent, that they're, familiar with. People like a good, solid network. So again, get out, meet people, and just be genuine. And again, act as if you've been knowing them for years. It works. It's worked for me. It continues to work for me. And we don't have a problem with generating jobs, leads, at all. So, sometimes it could be a bit hard for people who are introverts and don't really like dealing with people. Well, guess what? I used to be that guy. But guess what? When you're genuine and you're coming across as, no harm going to be done to who you're dealing with, and you're not trying to take from them, and you actually have something that they can benefit from, they'll buy from you all day long. Just that simple. We're human beings. We have to understand how to get along to get along. All right? Peace.